A light magnitude 2.3 earthquake hit 49 kilometers, 30 miles, away from Balıkesir, Turkey, around noon of Wednesday, August 13, 2025 at 12:25 p.m. local time. Europe, Istanbul GMT+3. The quake had a very shallow depth of 7.2 kilometers, 4.5 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, KOERIRETMC after 8 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.